एक लॉट मैंने बुक कर लिया है, सेकेंड लॉट आई विल बी बुकिंग आई थिंक एनीवेयर अराउंड 488. Second lot I have also booked. 6,181 profit booked in the morning. Drift. All right, we will begin with, first our understanding on, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has made a trending profile in the last session, right? It has made a complete trending profile, and prices, they have made, in fact, I think in futures prices have broken, last high that was made by the prices, right? And as we told you, in the last session, that buying on the dips will be a very good scenario for Bank Nifty. If you had created your buy position in Bank Nifty when Bank Nifty reached around the lower level on the dip, if you had created your buy position, or maybe after reversal confirmation, if you had created your buy position, definitely yesterday you would have made profits in the last session. If prices are able to retrace down to lower level, then I will be looking for creation of short term short position, intraday short position. That's what my expectation will be. The reason behind is basically market profile is telling us that there might be a good possibility that prices can first do retracement on the downside, but after you can say that if at all right now Nifty 50, it is trading at 17,712, 81 points gap up. It is looks like it is opening. This will be confirmed once pre-market gets settled. So once pre-market gets settled, then we can definitely say that we can definitely understand where Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to open. If Bank Nifty is going to open at the lifetime high, and we start seeing immediately profit booking to start happening in Bank Nifty, then there can be a possibility that prices can keep coming down and down also. Leela is saying, good morning, Bhavani sir. Can you please share your review on IRCTC? I think it may test higher side resistance every single day, sir. IRCTC is making higher highs only, and it is, unstoppable. I think IRCTC, in past few sessions, it was basically running in ban. It entered into a ban mode, but yeah, as per charts of IRCTC, the structure is still bullish for IRCTC above this high 3842. If prices go today, then there might be a possibility, yes, that IRCTC can go further up. Till now there is no sign of bearishness that appears in IRCTC. Structure is still bullish. If you are going long in IRCTC, I will say that go long in IRCTC for ban in FNO and IRCTC. Yes. So in equity, you can still take IRCTC. If you want to do investment, then yeah, IRCTC will be good for investment. But buying at such a higher level will never be recommended. You should look for taking IRCTC on support, right? If you want to buy right now also, then you can, do trading with less quantity in it. Okay. Looks like banking sector is the one which are going to basically drive the market today. And most of the banks, RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank, IDFC First Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Federal Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, all of them are opening with very good gap of more than 5%, more than 0.5% of gap up opening. It is getting witnessed in all the banking sector stocks. Yesterday we gave a very good trading idea of purchasing IndusInd Bank call option, and IndusInd Bank was the upper circuit hitter yesterday. So we gave it in our private channel yesterday. If you want to be part of it, you can contact our marketing team. Links are mentioned in the description. You can anytime talk to us. Okay, so we will definitely guide you on how to become part of our trader discussion forum, right? So those people who are part of our trader discussion forum, we have given access to them. Let me show you where we have given there is a private channel. In fact, on Elixir Learnings only, I'll show you. This was the profits that were made by our students yesterday. Even 1.25 lakh also was the profit one student made. And let me show you. Yeah, This was the trading opportunity to purchase 1080 call option, and prices hit the upper circuit in IndusInd Bank in the last trading session. So that was a beautiful trading idea that was provided in the last session. One trading idea can be that if Bank Nifty, you wait for first 1 hour and you think about creating a buy position in Bank Nifty. If at all prices break the first 1 hour upper range, then it will be a good idea for purchasing Bank Nifty and holding it till day end, right? That will be really good. That is one trading idea. Second trading idea that I was thinking early morning today, that second trading idea would be, if at all we create a short straddle on 38,000 call option and put option, but monthly options, right? Monthly call and put option, if we create a short position on 38,000 call and put option, as well as we also do one more thing, we also hedge it with 500s above current expiry K option. Far expiry options basically we are shorting, and we are basically purchasing by hedging it with purchasing of call and put options of current expiry. This Nifty can push the prices back to upper level. Nifty can make Bank Nifty go back to upper level. So if at all Nifty breaks morning low, then you can think about exiting from your position, and I think buy position looks like it can be created in Nifty, right? That's what it looks like as of now. I have taken a risk. But this is a very risky trade I'm showing you. This is a very risky trade that I have taken. I have purchased 420. At 420, I have purchased 38,000 put option in Bank Nifty. But that is only based upon the current order flow which is running. On the top, what I wanted in Bank Nifty is not happening right now. I wanted to see very big amount of bull position, but bull positions are not happening. 420 पर मैंने purchase करे हैं 3 lots, and my stop loss would be that if at all prices will be breaking this high, if prices again breaks in Bank Nifty, then I'll close the position with loss. And if at all this much is my risk, roughly this is where I have created a purchase. So if this much is my risk, let me make it a little bit bigger, like this, the whole candle range, then I would be expecting that prices should at least fill this gap. There can be a possibility now for Bank Nifty to make a new high. So, but I'll follow as per the trading idea that I have selected for myself. Today that if I book the loss, that is also fine with me, because my overall idea is that I don't see any very big buying to be happening in Bank Nifty. Last low made by the prices is 375 in this option. So if spot again touches this one, 375 can get easily broken. Anyone who has created a buy position in Nifty, they can keep on trailing it. एक लॉट मैंने बुक कर लिया है. सेकेंड लॉट आई विल बी बुकिंग आई थिंक एनीवेयर अराउंड 488. second lot I have also booked, and third lot I'll also book right now. Fourth lot I will keep on trailing. Fourth lot I'll keep on trailing now. अगर प्राइस और नीचे चलता जाएगा तो दिस इज लाइक अ मॉर्निंग क्विक स्कैल्प with the purpose of holding 492, 93, lovely. 500, that's where, you know, prices have reached now. So I'll update my stop loss at 488. That was my first profit booking area, 488. अगर मोमेंटम यहाँ से आता है तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं आता, okay, all right. My whole quantity is booked. 6,181 profit booked in the morning drift. So that was basically a morning drift trade that we and you know, there was one more risk that was available. That is in case of Nifty. Nifty is still carrying long position. Nifty is still being bullish, and you know, anything could have been possible. And look at the prices now. They have again gone back to upper level. जहां पर हमने बाय किया था उसी बाय प्राइस पर फिर दोबारा से दिस ऑप्शन हैज रीच्ड, बट दैट डजंट मैटर. इट वाज जस्ट अ मॉर्निंग स्कैल्प ट्रेड. took the trade, took the risk. Now we can sit easy, we can sit again and you know, start trading after, you know, some time. Till those who think that what is a real trading and a fake trading, this is the real trading, sir. All my orders are lying right in front of you. 423, look at the buying price. Here is the learning part. If I want to accumulate, at which price am I accumulating? 423, 425, 412, 423 at the lower price. And when I started booking profit, 482, 488, 473 and 488. That's my exit price. Let me show you our dashboard. So FNO dashboard is telling us that Nifty is carrying, you know, topmost long position. There is this HDFC Bank, which is, you know, carrying good long position right now. And more than 59% of buyers are being aggressive right now in HDFC Bank. Let me have a look into its intraday chart. As per intraday chart, the structure looks bullish. There can be a possibility that in coming days, you know, HDFC Bank can maybe reach around 1583 or even higher level.